Hi, I'm Tim with PDQ Restoration, and today I'm going to go over a very common question for owners. Why don't I just clean the home myself after I've had smoke damage to my property, after an appliance fire or soot damage from a fire that did not cause structural damage? Why do I need to hire a restoration company instead of a general cleaning service or maid service? The short answer is that restoration companies are geared and trained and specialized to use products and equipment that go beyond just surface cleaning. Looking at hitting damage that most janitorials don't look at. Did it get behind the cabinets? Are there open air cavities? Did it get in the HVAC system and get circulated through the air ducts? Are we treating the actual air particles with HEPA air filters? And we're taking an approach that fire and smoke damage companies are not healthy conditions for homeowner to be in. Meaning that, is the surface clean? Yes. But is it healthy? No. So we need to go that extra mile to make sure it is. So that means that tenants employees, yes, anyone, a lot of them are potentially taking in these carcinogens or cancer causing agents without going this far. Along with just regular cleaning, we have equipment that helps with odor removal, sanitation, and ensuring that you are doing the cleaning, you're not cross-contaminating and affecting other areas of home. That meaning containment areas and closing off areas that are drying chambers is making the problem even worse. Some of these worst situations are often when people think it's not that bad and they don't clean it. If you were to go throughout your home and you were to drag a soot sponge in certain areas that you think soot didn't even get to, you are still likely to find soot. So if you ever had smoke damage or fire damage emergency, please give us a call, because in those circumstances, restoration companies are going to be thorough and they're going to understand what needs to be done. And we're happy to give you a free estimate on